Are you head of household? Okay, what we'll do is if I can get you right over here, and we'll get you checked in, okay? Yes, come on. Wait, hi to the folks. It's only for educational.
I'm gonna give this back to you.
Okay.
Chicken.
What's chicken, yummy?
A piece of chicken. You can get fruit and dessert for you, sweetie.
Do
you want a little sandwich?
10 minutes.
Yes.
You want some bread?
Want a slice of turkey?
No bread?
No? You want bread?
I got the biggest piece of waffle. No. I saw like
You know what? One time there was something.
I'm bigger than you are.
Jacob, eat. Get orange.
Tell me what brought you.
We've been getting some rain and the street started flooding. The street kept flooding, the water kept rising, and eventually our backyard and our street and our front yard was all underwater. Started coming into the house.
How are the kids doing?
They seem to be doing pretty well.
Is anybody scared?
No. Kind of kept it from
You were a
Yeah.
little scared? No? What about when the water started coming in? Did that, you know? I mean, you know, be here as long as you need.
Yeah.
2 days.
Hopefully it won't be that long.
Yeah.
How was the food?
30 days.
Nathan,
School lunch. Yum, yum.
you should have had a school lunch today, but no. This is a very cruel joke to me as a mother. For 4 years, I've been waiting for this week to come. All 4 of my kids go to school. Didn't happen. Didn't happen.
Not yet.
Not yet, but they will all be in school. And no one at home but mommy and daddy. And we can do our schoolwork.
Yeah.
Hey, are you gonna eat that? She just made a sandwich I've never seen in my life.
That's 4 and that's 4 and that's 6 and I'm 3 and 4.
You're almost 4 maybe?
Excellent.
I was all nervous when he took the facial. How many nerves now?
This guy.
Your legs.
How's that? Nice. Are you drinking plenty of water? Yeah.
He has to put thickener in everything.
Is that far enough over? Yeah? Okay.
We want to see how we chew our food.
Be on the 9